2025 Aston Martin Vanquish sits at the pinnacle of luxury sports cars. Today, I will share 2025 Aston Martin Vanquish. Overview, pricing, engine and performance, fuel economy, interior, infotainment and tech, safety, warranty, and maintenance. 2025 Aston Martin Vanquish. Welcome to Bike and Car Saga. Speed up to your ride. The 2025 Aston Martin Vanquish isn't just another luxury sports car. It's a masterpiece of power, exclusivity, and style. With an 824 horsepower twin-turbo V12 engine, it reaches speeds up to 214 miles per hour. Its adaptive suspension ensures a smooth transition from high-performance driving to comfortable cruising. Under the hood, the Vanquish boasts a 5.2-liter V12 engine, delivering 738 pound-feet of torque. Rear-wheel drive, a high-tech 8-speed automatic transmission, and an adaptive suspension allow it to switch effortlessly between performance precision and relaxed cruising. Its sleek, head-turning exterior is complemented by a lavish two-seat cabin featuring cutting-edge tech, including dual 10.3-inch displays, Apple CarPlay, navigation, and Wi-Fi. With space for custom-fitted luggage and a limited production run of just 1,000 units, the Vanquish guarantees rarity and prestige. Aston Martin claims a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of just 3.2 seconds. Strictly a two-seater, the Vanquish offers plush accommodations with layers of luxurious materials, including semi-aniline leather and faux suede upholstery, heated seats with 16-way power adjustments, and an optional cashmere headliner. Heated seats with 16-way power adjustments and an optional cashmere headliner add to the comfort. The trunk provides ample space for weekend luggage, with a custom-fit luggage set available. The Vanquish features dual 10.3-inch displays for infotainment and gauges. Standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a 15-speaker Bowers and Wilkins stereo, ensure connectivity and entertainment on the go. Safety is paramount with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking. These systems enhance driver confidence and security on the road. Limited to just 1,000 units, the Vanquish starts at an estimated $430,000. Customization options through Aston's Q program allow for personalized touches, ensuring each car is unique.